how to earn thousands of dollars on YouTube. Do you want to earn money real fast on YouTube, but you don't have a following and you don't have subscribers and heck, you don't even have that many videos? Well, I'm going to reveal to you what the top YouTubers are doing and they don't want you to know about it. Hey, I'm JR Fisher, and I've been selling products online since 2009. As a matter of fact, I have my branded products on thousands of websites, including Walmart. On my channel, I teach you how to start, run, and grow online businesses from scratch or to scale them depending on where you're at. By the end of this video, you're going to know the top 3 ways to make money on YouTube. And I got to tell you, the last 2 will shock the heck out of you. But first, hit that subscribe button down there. Hit that like button also. Don't forget to turn on your notifications. If you wait to the end, you could forget. Go ahead, do it now. I'll wait. Okay, you got that done? Cool. So let's talk about all the ways you can make money on YouTube. Look, there's a lot of ways to make money on YouTube, but most people think that the only way to make money is through ads playing on their videos. And that's just not the case. But let's look at that first to see what it takes to qualify. First off, you're going to need 1,000 subscribers before you can even apply to monetize your videos. And on top of that, you're going to need 4,000 hours of watch time to qualify. So that's a lot, and that's tough to get just starting out. Okay, so here's how it works. You're going to get paid on something called a CPM. You're going to get paid anywhere from $1 to $25 based on CPM, which is cost per mil. Now, cost per mil is basically how much you get paid per 1,000 views. So let's do a little bit of math here. Let's say your average is $2 per view and you want to earn $2,000 a month. Well, you'd need to get 1 million views at $2 per 1,000. That's a lot to get in the beginning. I mean, check it out. To get monetized and have 1,000 subscribers and have 4,000 hours of watch time, I mean, really, that's going to take some time. So as you can see, you've got to look at alternative ways to make money on YouTube. But the cool thing is there are a lot of alternative ways. Now let's go to the next 2 ways to make money on YouTube. Now let's run the math real quick. Let's say the average watch time on your videos are 3 minutes. Hint, you need to make longer videos first off. In the beginning, I didn't make them long enough. Usually 10 minutes or longer, 10 to 15 minutes is best. So how many minutes of watch time do you really need? Well, you need 4,000 hours times 60 minutes. Well, that's 240,000 minutes. If you divide 240,000 by 3 minutes, you're going to come up with an average of 80,000 views. So your income from this would be what? At $2? $160. So don't think of this as the #1 way to make money on YouTube, because it's not. Most big YouTubers will tell you that's not how they're making their money. You need to think of this as a tip jar, something where you're going to get extra money on the side, not your main source of income from YouTube. Now, that's not to say you can't make a lot of money on views, because, I mean, some people do. Some people make $15, $20, $30, $40, $50,000 a month. Heck, there's people making hundreds of thousands of dollars a month. But you can't shoot for that right off. It takes time to get there. So let's look at these other ways to make money. Some people actually make $25 CPMs. Now, it all depends on your niche. That same 80,000 views that only earn $160 at $2 CPM, for somebody who's making maybe $25 CPM, that same 80,000 views could be worth $16,000. That's crazy. Now let's look at some of the other channels. A prank channel will only have CPMs of less than $1. Now why is that? Because people who are watching prank channels aren't really in the mode to buy anything. They're just wanting entertainment. They want to laugh. They want to have fun. And the odds of them buying something from an advertiser on a prank channel, well, are just not that good. So advertisers aren't willing to spend a lot of money to put their ads on prank channels. I'm not picking on prank channels. There's a lot of channels out there that don't have real high CPMs. So you want to research that first. Now let's look at financial type channels. Somebody who's watching a financial channel on how to invest their money or what to do, or stocks and bonds and real estate, those people are worth a lot of money. Why? Because they're actually watching a video to learn something. And if they're there to learn something and they're interested in finances, an advertiser can put a video on there and make a lot of money based on the fact that these are real buyers. These are people who are actually going to spend some money, and they're not just there to be entertained. They're there to learn. Now, these results you're hearing, they're not typical. This is not something that everybody's going to do. As a matter of fact, most people don't make money on YouTube because they don't follow through, they don't do it consistently, and they don't want to put in the hard work. But that doesn't mean it's not there. That doesn't mean you can't do it. As a matter of fact, in 2016, the amount of people who made over $100,000 a year on YouTube rose by 40%. And those people who are earning 5 figures a year, well, that rose by 50%. So certainly it's going in the right direction, and you can definitely do it. Now check out the chart in front of you. I don't want to say the name of the person in first place there because YouTube doesn't like that. But look at the fact that YouTube is in second place. Now, if you were to put a video on that place there that's in first place, the odds of people watching it are not real good because they don't go there to watch videos. They go there to socialize. So if you're making videos and putting them there, not only will not a lot of people see them, but the odds of being able to make money off that platform aren't real good if you're wanting to do videos. Now, guess what? If you're wanting to do videos and make money, what's the number one place? It's going to be YouTube. And as you can see by this chart, YouTube is now the number 2 social place in all of the internet to post videos. Now, another thing is if you were to put your videos on that other place we were talking about, you can't monetize it. On YouTube, you actually can monetize it. But here's the problem. The average person that starts a YouTube channel, well, they get less than 50 subscribers. And you know what? They also upload less than 50 videos because the average person isn't willing to put in the work. Here's the thing that's going to blow your mind. The average amount of income that somebody earns on YouTube, the ads, well, that's only 3% of it. 97% is coming from other areas, and that's what we're going to talk about right now. The number 2 way to make money on YouTube is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing's awesome. You can pick a niche and find products that surround that niche and put all the links to those products right below what your niche is. And if you don't have affiliate links for a lot of different companies, it's simple. You just go to Amazon, find products on Amazon, and put those links below. Anybody can do this. All right, let's talk about the number 2 way to make money, and that is through affiliate marketing. Now, I am at a video now by Kimberlia, and she does some fashion and makeup and that type of thing. And if you look down here below in her descriptions, she's got all kinds of links, okay? Here's her Poshmark closet. If we scroll down to the bottom here, I love this one here, and I see this on a lot of sites. This one here is my filming equipment. So, when you're doing a video on Amazon, you can actually put links to, I bet this is going to be Amazon. Let's check it out, where the equipment is, and she's got her cameras listed right here, and look at this. She's got a whole bunch of cameras. Now, we know that she wasn't filming with 6 lenses and 2 or 3 microphones and 8 lights and 5 cameras. But what we know is that she's selling this stuff, right? So let's click view on Amazon, and you're going to find it goes directly to Amazon. I'm now cookied, and if I buy this camera right here, she gets a commission. It's that simple. So that's one way you can do it. Let's look at a couple of these other sites now. This is Mark Wiens, and I follow him on YouTube. He has 4.93 million. Oh my gosh. Followers and subscribers. Now let's look at one of his videos here. We'll pick this one right here. So here's one of his videos right here. Now let's look at the description below. I'm going to click on this. And let's see what's going on down here. How's he making money? Okay, so he's got some links to the location he went, which is nice because that way it doesn't look like he's always selling you stuff. He's got other people to follow, which is nice. Now look at this right here. Once again, he's got his camera equipment right here. Okay, so he's got his equipment down here, and if you click on one of these, let's say his main camera, let's see where it goes to. What do you know? It's Amazon. So if you were to buy this camera right here on Amazon, guess what? He would get a commission. Now, it's really simple. I'm logged into Amazon now. If I wanted to sell this camera and do an affiliate link for it, I could just go up here and get link. So I could get a text link right here. This is all you got to do. Now I have a link, and if I use this link here and I post it in different places and people come and buy this camera, I get a commission. So it's really that easy. Once you're logged into Amazon, to set up your affiliate account, and you can do the same thing. Let's take one more example right here. This gentleman here is Peter McKinnon, 3.94 million subscribers. And I've looked at his description here, and oh my gosh, does he have links or what? Lightroom presets, my awesome cameras. And if you notice, these are almost all Amazon right here. I click on it, go to this camera. Wow, $5,500 camera. That's kind of expensive, but he's got all kinds of stuff here. Okay, here's his tiny drone. And if you click on it, it comes to this page right here. And once again, if I were to buy that, he gets a commission. So this affiliate marketing thing is pretty darn cool in as much as you can, sell these items. You don't have to stock inventory. You don't have to ship anything out. You don't have to fill out any labels. All you do is put links right below your video. It's a super way to actually generate income off your videos. Now, I want to hear your ideas. I bet you've got some great ones. Post your comments in there about what type of niche you think that would really be good. And stick that in the comments so I can see that and see what you're doing. Now, once you've picked your niche, well, what kind of videos do you do? Well, you could do product reviews. So if you have something in camping and hiking, you could get camping and hiking gear and do product reviews on it. You can do product tutorials if you want to teach people how to use different things. You can do your favorite products. That's a really good one, product favorites. You can do the best of videos. You can do comparison videos. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. Now, in this screenshot here, you can see how I put my affiliate links in the description of my videos. Another cool thing you can do is you can get free products. Now, I have a friend who's in photography, and on a daily basis, photography companies with cameras and stands and lights and all that will send him free products just in hopes that he will do a product review on it. Now, it takes time to get there, but the point is you can get there. He's done it. Other people have done it. You can do it too. The number 3 way to make money on YouTube is to sell something. Now, you can use affiliate links, but you can also add your own product to it. If you don't have a product, you can develop a product. The number 1 way we've made money is selling survival food. That survival food is sold on thousands of websites, even Walmart's websites. But since I sold that survival food and learned to sell online, I came up with courses that I sell online. I do coaching. I have consulting. So there's a lot of other revenue streams there that you can add in once you get your audience built on YouTube. Now, if you want to learn how to do some e-commerce, if you want to learn how to sell some products online, I'll offer you a free course, a value of $97, absolutely free, just by clicking the link in the description. You'll see it in the description below. Click it, and you can get my free course. And I want to add a bonus. Once you get your channel going, you can actually sell merchandise. You can sell t-shirts and hats and coffee cups and all that. Now, be careful on the merchandise part though, because you do have to have 100,000 subscribers to show your merchandise, like in this right here. However, you can still sell your t-shirts and hats and merchandise on YouTube. You just put the links in the description, and that way people can buy it from the description. What other kind of merchandise can you sell? You could sell books, okay? I have this book right here, and I've got this book. My wife even wrote this book. And books are not that hard to write. As a matter of fact, on this channel, I have a video that will show you how to write a book in 48 hours. It's not that hard to do. It doesn't have to be long like what you would think. Now, the main key here is really just to get started. If you say, well, I don't know much and I've never done this before, guess what? Nobody knows much and they've never done it before they do it. The main key is to get started and to have several streams of income. You know, your courses or your products, your affiliate links, and then of course your ad revenue is your tip money. Here's a bonus tip. You've got to learn more in this economy. Years ago, we were all taught to go to school and get a job and work on an assembly line. Those jobs are going away. Robots are taking those jobs. You've got to learn how to earn money in a different manner than you used to. And the number 1 way to do that is to sell online. Like I said, you can grab my free course right below and start today. Now, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to turn on your notifications. And don't forget to like this. Have you gotten some ideas out of this video? Are you trying to sell something online? Put your comments below. I want to know what your ideas are and what you're doing. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.